तृतीयः पाठः थर्ड लेसन प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल कठिन शब्दार्थः हार्ड वर्ड मीनिंग सिंहः लायन गजः एलिफेंट व्याघ्रः टाइगर चित्रकः चीटा अजगरः पैथन गृहं हाउस सः he तौ they both in masculine they all in masculine सा she they both in feminine ताः they all in feminine tat that they both in neuter gender तानि they all in neuter gender patram vessel netram eye cha and we are going to practice these words in this lesson. Let us go to next page. You are going to learn the singular, dual and plural. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam and bahuvachanam once again. You have learned this in the first lesson. Still there is a revision here. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. Simhaha, simhau, simhaha. Vyaghraha, vyagrau, vyaghraha. Chitrakaha, chitrakau, chitrakaha. Ajagaraha, ajagarau, ajagaraha. Saha, tau, te. Saha, tau, te. This is pronoun used for masculine in singular, dual and plural. Now strilinga shabdaha, feminine words. Lata, late, lataha. Mala, male, malaha. Durabhasha, durabhashe, durabhashaha. Bala, bale, balaha. Sa, te, taha. Sa, te, taha. This is pronoun for strilinga. Sa, ekavachanam, te, dvivachanam, taha, bahuvachanam in strilinga, that is feminine. Shall we try some sentences here? As I said in the previous lesson, asti is understood. So let me try. You also will practice like this. Saha ajagaraha, asti is understood. Saha chitrakaha, saha vyaghraha, saha simhaha, saha gajaha. This is ekavachanam, singular. It is python. It is cheetah. It is or this is a tiger. It is or this is a lion. Same way. It is or this is an elephant. Tau ajagarau. Tau chitrakau. Tau vyagrau. Tau simhau. Tau gajau. Tau ajagarau. They both are pythons. Tau chitrakau. They both are cheetahs. Tau vyagrau. They both are tigers. Tau simhau. They both are lions. Tau gajau. They both are elephants. Now we move on to plural. ते अजगराः, ते चित्रकाः, ते व्याघ्राः, ते सिंहाः, ते गजाः. ते अजगराः, they are pythons, plural. ते चित्रकाः, they are cheetahs. ते व्याघ्राः, they are tigers. ते सिंहाः, they are lions. ते गजाः, they are elephants. You can construct sentences. Now we move on to Strilinga. सा बाला, सा दूरभाषा, सा माला, सा लता. In singular. ते बाले, ते दूरभाषे, ते माले, ते लते. In dual. Now plural. ताः बालाः, ताः दूरभाषाः, ताः मालाः, ताः लताः. Plural. Now we move on to ekavachanam once again. Sa bala, she is a girl. Sa durabhasha, that is telephone. Sa mala, she is mala, a girl, or that is a garland. Mala means a garland, also a name. Lata, creeper or a name. Sa lata, she is lata, or that is a creeper. Now we move on to dvivachanam. Te bale, they both are girls. Te durabhashe, they both are telephones. Te male, they both are malas. They both are garlands. Te late, they both are latas. Te late, they both are creepers. Now bahuvachanam. Plural. Taha balaha, they are girls. Taha durabhashaha, they are telephones. Taha malaha, they are garlands, or they are girls by name mala. Taha lataha, they are creepers, or they are girls by name lata. Let us go to next page. Napumsakalinga, neutral gender. Phalam, phale, phalani. Patram, patre, patrani. Netram, netre, netrani. Griham, grihe, grihani. Tat, te, tani. Tat, te, tani. This is the pronoun. Now let us try some sentences. Tat griham, tat netram, tat patram, tat phalam. Tat griham, that is a house. Tat netram, that is an eye. Tat patram, that is a vessel. Tat phalam, that is a fruit. Te grihe, te netre, te patre, te phale. Te grihe, they both are houses. Te netre, they both are eyes. Te patre, they both are vessels. Te phale, They both are fruits. Tani grihani. Tani netrani. Tani patrani. Tani phalani. Tani grihani. Those are houses. They are houses. Tani netrani. They are eyes. Tani patrani. They are vessels. Tani phalani. They are fruits. Now let us go to the sentences with different verbs. Simha tatra garjati. Simha, a lion. Tatra, there. Garjati, roars. Means a lion is roaring there, or a lion roars there. Chitrakau tatra garjataha. Chitrakau, two cheetahs. Garjataha, roar. Tatra, there. Two cheetahs roar there. Vyaghraha api tatra garjanti. Tigers also roar there. Vyaghraha, tigers. Api, also. Tatra, there. Garjanti, roar. Gajaha ghasam khadanti. Gajaha, elephants. Khadanti, eat. Ghasam, grass. Elephants eat grass. Mahishau api ghasam khadatah. Mahishau, two buffaloes. Api, also. Ghasam, grass. Khadatah, eat. Two buffaloes also eat grass. Chitrakaha shighram dhavanti. Cheetahs run fast. Chitrakaha, many cheetahs. Dhavanti, run. Shighram, fast or quickly. Hiranaha api shighram dhavanti. Hiranaha, deers. Api, also. Shighram, quickly or fast. Dhavanti, run. Deers also run fast. Let us move on to next page. Lata Mala cha kridatah. Lata and Mala play. Lata, a name. Mala, a name. Cha, and. Kridatah, play. Balaha tatra pathanti likhanti cha. Balaha, children. Tatra, there. Pathanti, read. Likhanti, write. Cha, and. There, children read and write. What do you understand by this now? The use of cha is different from other languages. Lata, Mala, cha. Lata and Mala. But in Sanskrit, Lata, Mala, and. Pathanti, Likhanti, cha. Pathanti, read. Likhanti, write. Cha, and. Read and write. That is English. Whereas in Sanskritam, it is read, write, and. Sa atra asti. She is here. Taha tatra pathanti. They study there. Taha means Strilinga, only feminine. It is understood that all are ladies. They study there. Durabhasha atra asti. Telephone is here. बालिका तत्र अस्ति. A girl is there, or there is a girl. You can say anyway. Patram api tatra asti. There is also a vessel. Patram, a vessel. Api, also. Tatra, there. Asti, is. There is also a vessel, or vessel is also there. Phalani api tatra santi. Also there are fruits. Phalani api. Phalani, fruits. Api, also. Tatra, there. Santi, or. So there are also fruits. Lata shanaihi likhati. Lata writes slowly. Rameshaha api shanaihi likhati. Ramesh also writes slowly. Rameshaha api. Ramesh also. Shanaihi, slowly. Likhati, writes. Balakaha shighram likanti. Children write fast. Balakaha, children. Likhanti, write. Shighram, fast or quickly. Balikaha api shighram pathanti. Girls also read fast. Balikaha, girls. Api, also. Shighram, quickly. Fast. Pathanti, read.